We have new developments in the death of Jamichael Mitchell. A new report from the Portsmouth Commonwealth's Attorney's Office reveals that no charges will be filed.
10 on Your Side broke the news this morning. We've been covering Mitchell's case since 2015 when he was arrested for stealing $5 worth of snacks from a 7-Eleven in Portsmouth. Mitchell was mentally ill when he died at Hampton Roads Regional Jail awaiting a transfer to Eastern State Hospital. 10 on Your Side's Andy Fox is here with new reaction to today's report. Andy, a lot to sift through.
Yeah, a lot to sift through, and the NAACP is basically saying that no one's being held responsible because no one's being charged in what happened. The Commonwealth's attorney claims she did all she could to get the information she needed to bring charges.
The inability to be able to subpoena people and to put them under oath in investigating this case.
That is why Portsmouth Commonwealth's attorney Stephanie Morales, after nearly 4 years, decided no charges will be filed in the death of Hampton Roads Regional Jail inmate Jamichael Mitchell.
We got to interview 14 of the 22 witnesses. 8 of those witnesses we still have not been granted access to, including the most material ones, the ones who had the most contact with Jamichael Mitchell and who were responsible for his medical services.
Those workers with NAFCARE who provided medical services at the jail not available to Stephanie Morales.
What I could see that there was not enough continuity, in my opinion, to make sure that at every step of the way the person before knew what the next person was going to do and that person knew what the person before had done.
My first reaction, Andy, was disbelief, saddened for our community and saddened for the family.
James Boyd, president of the Portsmouth NAACP, thinks Morales dropped the ball after nearly 4 years since Jamichael's death, and no one is held responsible for failing to give medical treatment.
Where there's smoke, there's fire, and certainly, Andy, anybody can see that there's smoke coming from the regional jail.
I'm not here to talk about how the NAACP feels. I'm here to talk about what the public needs to know about this very serious situation. And if anyone was interested in finding out about the results of this report, they would have been more than welcome to talk to me.
I can't question the process in which she has reached her decision.
Tonight at 6, Stephanie Morales now pushing for a change in state law that requires the medical provider to do more than just say the mentally ill person gave informed consent not to be treated, which was apparently the case here. That's what the jail claims Jamichael did. That part of the story at 6. I'm Andy Fox, 10 on Your Side.